Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. This is Property Management 101, and today we'll be discussing best practices for things to include with your move out packets. If you've not already done so, please watch my disclosure video as well as my why I do this video. And if you found this video helpful and learned something new, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. What I'm referring to when I say move out packet is this is typically given to a resident once they give notice or if the landlord provides a non-renewal to them, that the resident will receive a move out packet that will include directions and details about their move out. If you're curious about best practices of things to include with your move-in packets, please watch my video titled Move-in Packets, and I'll post that link in the video description below. This video will apply best for anyone on the residential side of the industry. Number one best practice to keep in mind when putting together your move-out packets: make sure you include account and address change reminders. This will include any utilities they've signed up for, any online shopping sites. You don't want to have their packages come to their unit after they move out. Change of address with the USPS, any driver's license, or any car registrations. This will be very helpful because this is one more thing that'll be helpful for the resident moving out, as well as helpful for you as a landlord, just one less thing to deal with. Number two best practice to keep in mind is include your move out directions. If you require any type of system where they have to turn in their keys or what days and times you're available, where they need to be dropped off, if you require a pre-walkthrough, make sure any and all move out directions are included with the move out packet. And the last best practice to keep in mind when putting together your move out packets, to address any outstanding items. This would include any future payments that are still scheduled between now and when that resident is scheduled to move out, any current balance the resident owes. Make sure if you've not already collected the updated address for the resident, this will be important so you have an updated address, because most likely the address they lived prior is not going to be the address they're moving to. So to have this updated address will be really important so you can be assured that you're sending their move out statement and or their security deposit to the right and updated address. Many states actually have regulations of how soon after a resident moves out that you have to provide a move-out statement and their security deposit. So ensuring that you're collecting this as soon as they receive notice so you can update your system will be very important and impactful for this. If you do have any questions about this video or any of my videos, feel free to comment below and I'll be happy to address for you. And if you found this video helpful and learned something new, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Happy leasing!